Hello everybody, I haven't done a video blog wearing my levers in quite a long time, so I thought I'd change that. As you can tell, I haven't got them all on yet, so I thought I'd give you a bit of fun. And you can get to watch me put my boots and stuff on. Hope you enjoy this video blog. So, one boot. Second one, obviously. Now anybody who wears levers will know you can't put the gloves on next. If you put the gloves on next, you can't get the helmet on. So here goes the helmet. That's another good thing I've thought here. When I had long hair, when you put the helmet on, you had to do that and then get it out your bloody eyes. That's the helmet on. And of course, that just leaves the gloves. One glove on, here goes the other one. And that's the other glove on. Well then, better slap the lid. Then, I hope you enjoyed this Wetsuit Lads video blog. It's not done in a long time. If you've got any ideas what you'd like to hear next time I do a Wetsuit video blog, please let me know by commenting on the video or going to wetsuitlads.co.uk and commenting on the video via that. So I'll speak to you all when I do another video blog. Bye!